Yeah. Now we would like to invite our chief guest, Ms. Shabnam Siddiqui, Executive Director, United Nations Global Combat Network India. I will. I would like to express my sincere thanks for the time allowed to you, Madam. She is the Executive Director at United Nations Global Combat Network India, an academic practitioner with 25 years of experience. Shabnam specializes in developing and executing strategic intervention through multi-stakeholder networks. Is skilled at training and research and has several national and international publications to her credit. I have a few more points. Shabnam is a great believer and practitioner of collective action and believes that the private sector plays a critical role in the attainment of sustainable development goals. Being a member of United Nations Global Combat Network, Fire and Safety Forum is proudly supporting private sector as well as the public sector organizations on environment related activities, as well as the workplace, as well as the labor and labor welfare on that part. She has made significant contributions to creating an active community of change makers committed to accelerate accelerating positive change and innovation to achieve SDGs. So, according to her academically, she has a master's in sociology from India, a second master's in international peace studies from USA, and embarked on a PhD in public policy at Singapore. Additionally, every couple of years, Shabnam is engaged in academic pursuit so as to be abreast of new knowledge and thought leadership. So I believe that under your leadership and guidance, we would be also have a capacity to contribute more towards the SDGs. And over to you, Madam Shabnamji.
Thank you so much, Ashwati. I think perhaps it was a good sign that good evening, everyone. Glad to be on this forum, and also happy that the session got delayed, because in that way I could hear the contributions made by our companies. Almost everybody on the panel is a Global Compact member, and we are highly energized, enthused by the fact that when tough, like as we say, tough situations don't last, tough people do. And the kind of initiatives that all these companies have taken and are sharing on this platform has been incredible. So a big thanks from Global Compact to all the companies for doing this incredible work. Last year has been challenging, as we all know. It has been challenging. It has brought to forth fault lines that we understood earlier, but we did not actually realize of the kind of divide that existed in society. But it also was a wake-up call for us, because most of us then have come together, have gone beyond our regular boundaries, have gone beyond our regular knowledge to explore potential of what we could do better. So it's incredible that we are sharing this on this platform. It is a great pleasure for me to address professionals like you across India for this 8th edition of the Global Safety Summit and award ceremony organized by GSS. GSS is GCNI's key member, and this is the second time that we're supporting the forum as an SDGs partner. And especially in today's ceremony, I really appreciate the contribution of the panel moderator, Dr. Siddiqui, and all the panelists for bringing forth their knowledge and experiments and innovation to share with public at large. The discussion has taken participants of the Global Safety Week through their experiences. They have given what the fight against COVID-19 has been in the respective industry. I finally congratulate the 8th Global Safety Summit and Safety Award winners, and happy to see that the contribution of the private sector as well as the public sector in the attainment of the SDGs. We as the Global Compact are also appreciative of the efforts of the assessment team, because when so many people are doing incredible work, I think the work of the assessment team gets harder. But despite that, under the leadership of the program director, Mrs. Avasti, the entire process was done in a fair manner, and to conduct such successful gatherings every year does require a lot of commitment, a lot of sincerity. And so we wish them success in their endeavors, and commit to partnerships in future, both for the summit and other activities, whichever is related, because of the 10 years of the Sustainable Development Goals. Last year, when the decade began, we called it the Decade of Action. From the Decade of Action, 1 year is already gone. So in 9 years, if we need to work together, we have to collaborate. And collective action of this sort is definitely what will help us in achieving some of the goals. So thank you so much. Again, a big round of congratulations to the winners and the organizers. Thank you.
So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to the support from your side, and thank you very much.